Do you want to repost any videos on TikTok using your iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can report on TikTok using your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now to repost on TikTok, open the App Store, look for TikTok. Ensure your TikTok is up to date because this feature is not available for old updates. After updating your TikTok app, open TikTok app, tap Profile, tap the three dots, tap Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy. Scroll down. Here you'll find out Report icon. Open this up and make sure that this report option is toggled on. After that, go back and reopen your TikTok apps. Then select I want to report one of the videos from here. Tap Share. From the top menu, you'll find the report option. Now add your thoughts. After that, the post will be reposted on your TikTok. Now guys, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.